Hello friends, my name is Farooq Dubey and today I am going to show you how to use image in HTML. Right. So if you want to use image in your web page, so you should use image tag img, and we are going to use here our URL, image URL. So we just use src equal double quotation of and image tag close img. Right. Now save it and refresh it. You can see here is nothing because we should use here image. So how to use image? So first go to your desktop or anywhere and open your image in Google Chrome or any other web browser and copy this URL and go to your code and paste here your URL and just save this and just go to your web page image.html button. Just refresh it. You can see here is our image in our web page, right? But if I don't want to use this image as it is, I just want to use this image proper way. Like if I want to use here height and width of image, so simply use height something 500 px width equal to 500 and save this file and refresh it. You can see here is our image height and image width, right? So if you want to use your image, so you have to write this simple code, right? If you have any doubt, you can ask me on comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.